America.
That one.
Don't.
Is it leaking?
Yes, that one.
Huh?
If this one.
Okay, don't touch it.
If this one's not,
Okay.
I think. Maybe it is.
Don't touch it.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
That's sick.
Skull leggings.
Wait, so is that stuff toxic? Is that stuff?
Yes.
Wait, it's really bad for you. It's toxic.
Rainbow.
JJ, is this stuff toxic?
Favorite firework?
Yeah.
Not you. The willow tree one.
No, I'm not talking to you.
Yeah, mine too. That goes dingle. Oh yeah. Zena tucked her
Wait, come on,
legs
my God.
inside the vest.
How's it doing that?
She in a blanket.
That's where they've been there. Wait, what? That's probably the couple.
My daddy served in the military. She didn't do that. Norm did. Oh, Norm.
Oh, there's a.
My brother.
What was that so cool?
Yeah!
Those are.
Those ones. You see, mommy? You see, mommy?
Oh, people!
Like the 4th of July. And Uncle Sam put your name at the top of his list. And the Statue of Liberty started shaking and this. And the eagle will fly. And it's gonna be hell. When you hear Mother Freedom start ringing her bell. It'll feel like the whole wide world is raining down on you. All brought to you courtesy of the red, white, and blue. Merca! Woo woo!
Stop doing that.
Gotta
It's
be
too
careful what I say.
boring.
yeah.
Rangers, Bruce Bochy.
Way better than last year.
Yeah.
Watch this light. How is it doing that? They set it up.
They weren't this close last year, huh?
It's over.
That's what I'm saying.
Gotta do it all in one. Stop doing it.
That arena's pretty nice though.
Belly.
Call them up.
I'm gonna sit. Wait, does this have the talking stuff on it?
You're fine.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Marka! I know, right?
Okay, give me the phone.
Why don't you do it, Sadie?
I'm shaking with my
You
cold.
shaking? Are you cold?
Yeah.
You cold?
It's scaring my. That's scaring my mom, but I know it's scaring. Your face going to kill. There you go. That better?
Reba! Reba! Who sings this? Are you kidding me? Brooks and Dunn, you mother effer.
This is a long fireworks show.
Longer than last year.
I like to spend money
You think it's that expensive?
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah.
No.
There's
That's
fireworks shows in the city. It's like they'll spend $1 million just for the fireworks show. Just for the
Like
fireworks.
Tokyo or like Taiwan? America! Hey, Hudson. America!
Burger.
America!